For those of you who don't know, I spoke at the Bisnow conference last week in downtown Detroit and wanted to provide a few high-level takeaways from the conference. Overall, great attended conference. I spoke on a panel with Jeff Sostak, Dennis Bernard, and Ed Eichhoff, who had great perspectives on the different aspects of real estate. And there was a few key takeaways that I noticed. One, it was very well attended. Downtown Detroit has more interest than it's probably had in a very long time. So continue to see a lot of people coming out, embracing Detroit and talking about the new developments. Right now you're seeing a ton of redevelopment opportunities, whether it's refacing retail centers, building outlots, whether it's the investment in capital markets activity on the multifamily side. There is a ton of sales going on, value add, and even some new developments on our market. Currently, there's 2,600 multifamily units under construction, which is a large amount for what we've historically seen over the last 10 and 15 years across Detroit, Novi, Birmingham, Royal Oak. Some great infill markets are experiencing multifamily development, which is interesting. The other key takeaway we took is the office market. At Friedman, we have a strong presence on the office side, representing over 10 million square feet of office space here in Metro Detroit and across the country. And what we found is that the office market's boding well. There's not a lot of supply coming online, which is good for rental rates, but demand continues. Companies are expanding, they're moving to nicer facilities, infill locations, and really trying to embrace the worker. That's why in most of our office buildings and across our portfolio, you're seeing us enhance our amenities, increase the tenant engagement, and really try to drive experiences for tenants. And a lot of hype has been around Detroit and tenants moving to downtown and millennials moving downtown, which has definitely been the case. Construction costs are very high in our market and nationally as well too. So when you look at it from that perspective, even though new supply is in demand and trying to be built, trying to figure out the economics behind new supply is a little bit more difficult. Whether it's an office building, multifamily project, retail outlet development, construction costs are high. And it's for a host of reasons. One, shortage of labor. Two, the increase in materials. And three, just the demand that is put on that industry today. The conclusion is that it's an upbeat market. There's a lot of positive things happening in Metro Detroit that we haven't seen in a long time. And despite a couple headwinds facing, people believe that the investment markets, the leasing market, and the demand market will continue to stay strong for the foreseeable future with limited impacts on the supply curve side. So thank you all for tuning in to our recap of the Bisnow conference. And if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out.